Okay, so what we want to talk about here, it's technology that will shape the sustainable real estate. Because technology it's a driving force behind the green building revolution. So we're talking about here anything goes from advanced material to cutting edge automation. So I want to dive into those technology shaping the future of sustainable real estate so that you can get to understand them a little bit better. Yeah. So let's go for that. Hello, hello, how are you doing? My name is Tony Chi. I'm the founder and CEO of Renewables in Africa. So, if you see me for the first time, so what we do is very simple. We raise awareness about renewables energy in Africa, but also across the globe. So, if you're a project developer, if you're an EPC company, if you are an investor or supplier, want to tap into Africa, that's great news. And I want to help, right? And I know there are two key questions most likely you ask yourself. The first one is, how can I actually reduce my business development cost? Because guess what? Expanding into in any territory, let alone Africa, it costs money. Yeah. You want to reduce that. If you can reduce that, that's great for you. The second question is, how can I fast track access to customers? So the brilliant news is we've developed a program, awareness packages that help you to tap into that, respond to that. Yeah. It's going to give you three things specifically. First one is better visibility to your target audience. But who is your target audience? Is anybody that buy your product, your service, but also participate in your program? And when you get visibility to this guy, guess what? You're gonna get more qualified leads. And with the qualified lead, you can get to the sales. That's the equation that will help you to navigate, to work around. Yeah. So book a call with me. What I want to do during that call is show you what I've done for other people, give you the testimonial, so you get the confidence that yes, I can make it work for you. And after that, let's make your expansion a success. It's as simple as that. Yeah, that's what I want to do for you. So, talking about technology, I would say that it's actually a driving force behind the green building revolutions. So, I'll talk about renewables and the integration. Solar panels, wind turbine, geothermal system. They become a standard in green development, and you know that already, right? So those are the kind of technology that when you add to real estate, it makes a difference. So I want to talk about also the smart building system, IoT devices, that would enable real-time monitoring of energy usage, water consumption, and air quality that sometimes you can even pilot, in distance. That's great. So 3D printing and construction, reduce material waste, spread the construction of sustainable housing. Yeah. And advanced insulation material, we have aerogel and vacuum related insulated panels. They will enhance here energy efficiency while at the same time reducing heating and also cooling needs. That's fantastic. So in technology as well, water recycling system, like gray water recycling, they reduce water consumption in residential but also commercial properties. So that is all fantastic. So with technology as an enabler, so the future of sustainable real estate it's brighter than ever. And when you adopt these innovations, as a developer, you can build smarter, greener, and more efficient spaces for generations to come. And that's something that I would encourage you to do. Yeah. So that's the reason we're promoting that here today, so that you can sincerely consider that, especially if you're a project developer doing that, because you most likely will have questions. You most likely will be attracted to do the same thing they've been doing on and on again, just because you understand all the costs around them and you don't want to disturb something that's worked in the past. But I'm saying there's something that even can give you even more benefit. Yeah. And which is actually where things are moving anyway. And I want you to be adopted because guess what? If you don't do that, you'll be forced to adopt it anyway. Yeah. So why not just, so go ahead and make sure that you're one of the pioneer and shaping and moving this industry forward. Okay. So like the video, share, comment, and subscribe here if you haven't done so. And I'll be delighted to talk further with you. Take care, guys. Bye bye.